What's going on? This is Colin. I've got a good one. We are in an Oakland County weekend arraignment court. I don't know the magistrate's name, but we are already starting the Saturday off with a bang. We got a guy coming in yelling. And the worst part is, maybe even not the worst part, he's defending the guy that was before him. So I'm playing two arraignments right now. The first one is just, pretty normal. Nothing exciting happened. It's the second guy that comes in and just starts going off because he doesn't like how the first guy was treated. Oh man. I'm Colin. We're cooling. Let's go.
This is Mr. Stewart.
All right. Now calling ticket number 26 NO01097, the People versus Edward Allen Stewart. This is the date and time set for arraignment. Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicole Smithson, P71404, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Stewart for arraignment purposes only. I've had the opportunity to speak with him, advise him of the charge, his rights, the max penalty. We'd waive reading, stand mute, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. He is requesting court-appointed counsel moving forward. Regard to bond, he's 58. He's currently unemployed. He reports no convictions. Given the very minimal type of charge this is and the nonviolent charge, we would ask for a personal bond.
Thank you, counsel. The court will waive formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Stewart. Mr. Stewart, I did review the request for court-appointed attorney form that you filled out and submitted, and it does appear that you qualify for court-appointed counsel, so I will appoint an attorney for you moving forward. Sergeant, is there anything you'd like to state regarding bond? Oh, Sergeant, I can't hear you. Sergeant, can you hear me?
I think we might have to do that all over again.
No? Well.
There we go.
Now I can.
Oh, you can?
Could you?
Okay.
Could you hear us before, Sergeant?
Yes, we heard everything.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we heard everything. Yes.
All right.
And,
Then is there anything you'd like to state regarding bond?
the only thing on his crim is the case that I do believe he's out on bond on, referenced the home invasion, the one second here, which is probably reference to his trailer. He was evicted from his property and it was a misdemeanor charge, the original case. And obviously the owner of the complex observed him on back at his trailer. We got caught. And, he had alcohol in his system, so he violated the conditional bond with the alcohol and obviously the misdemeanor offensive trespass. So I'll leave it to your discretion, how you want to handle that as far as respect to bond. He is homeless. He doesn't have a place to live.
All right. Thank you, Sergeant. It does appear that there's the pending matter, case number 26-000555. That's out of this court and assigned to Judge Bondi. It's like Mr. Stewart was just arraigned on that matter on March 9th. And one of the conditions was not to return to the premises at 2
Flower Street, yes. Country Cousins mobile home park.
All right. Well, Mr. Stewart, I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but I can tell you you're going to have to address the potential bond violation with Judge Bondi at your next hearing for your other matter. But for this matter, I do not think that a personal bond is appropriate since you were just ordered not to go to that address and now you're back there again. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash or surety. I will allow a 10% provision. I'm going to order all of the same bond conditions that were ordered to follow in case number 26-000555, which is specifically includes do not return to 26.
All right, so this is what I was saying in my intro. This is very, very typical, a very normal court hearing. Nothing exciting happens. But I pause it because I want you to look in the jail at the guy in the window. That's the guy that's coming up next. This is the guy who comes in. I guess he tries to white knight for the current defendant that's being arraigned. But he's listening. He can hear, and he is not happy with what he hears.
You will personally appear for any and all future court proceedings. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number. You shall not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons. Lastly, no new criminal offenses or activity. So, Mr. Stewart, do you understand the terms and conditions of your bond?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. Now, if I need to get stuff out of there, is there any way I can do that? Because all my belongings are in that mobile home. Is there any way I can arrange to do that one day?
I will allow you to go back there one time with a police officer to gather your belongings. After that, you're not to return to that address. You understand?
Yes.
All right.
I have lots of things in there. Everything I own is in there. Your Honor, if I may,
Yes,
I think
certainly.
I think perhaps that might be best addressed at his next court hearing. I mean, if he has a significant amount of items, there's no way possible for us to stand there for him to have a moving truck to remove everything. And the other thing too is, to my understanding, that he was given, and that still may exist as of right now, a certain amount of time to do something with his trailer, either sell it or whatever the other options are, because it was the lot that he was renting, but he does own the trailer. So they are working with him to do something with that trailer. So I think it might be best that, I mean, quick personal items, just, hygiene stuff or something possibly for work, that's one thing. But to move that entire trailer, we can't.
I agree with you 100%, Sergeant. So, Mr. Stewart, you can go back there one time with a police officer, but it's going to be quick. In, grab your stuff, and then you're out. If you need to go back for an extended period of time, you'll have to address that with Judge Bondi at your next hearing.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right. I don't have your next court date for this matter in front of me. Like I said, you are going to have another court date for the other matter. Oh, wait, actually, your next court date for the other matter is on Monday at 9 a.m. So if you postpone, make sure you make it to court at 9 a.m. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, I'll get the next
All right.
one, Your Honor. Commissioner.
Thank you. Good luck, Mr. Stewart.
Thank you. Go to the big board. Oh, come here.
All right, here we go. Yeah, it's about to go down. This guy comes out yelling right out the gate. Before he even sits down, he's yelling. You don't really need a volume check on this. He's not absurdly loud, but he's angry.
Have a seat right there in the chair.
Okay. That's what you call justice? That's what you call justice? Letting a homeless man take his own possessions out of his own trailer? You're going to call that justice, and you're going to bring me to an arraignment? I'm going to bring you to an arraignment. But please,
Okay.
let's go on.
Sir, let's listen to the magistrate.
I'm listening.
All right, let's keep quiet and only answer questions when asked.
Now calling ticket number 26NO01094, the people versus Joshua Brian Okowski. This is the date and time set for arraignment. Counsel, your appearance.
Stop.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Listen.
Nicole.
You are.
All right, and give me another officer.
Mr. Okowski, this is a court
Yes,
hearing.
sir. I know,
Please
sir,
stop
but
talking.
I have trouble calling it a court hearing when you take a homeless people's belongings from him.
Okay.
Sir,
Mr. Okowski, I have not taken anything from the man that was
Gave
just
him
in
permission.
front of me
I
for an
saw it with
arraignment.
my own
Mr.
two eyes.
Okowski,
I
stop
have more eyes
talking.
than you do. Who's
Mr.
gonna believe me
Okowski.
when you try to tell them my word against yours, sir?
Okay, you can believe
Because
whatever
you
you want,
have
sir.
one eye seeing this, I have two eyes seeing this. All right? Justice. By two eyes, by
Sir,
two witnesses, a
sir.
law, a
Okay,
matter is
Mr.
established.
Okowski,
We need to get your arraignment done. Can you please be cooperative? Otherwise, we cannot.
This is his arraignment, not mine.
No, you don't understand.
I'm listening.
Okay, you need to listen.
I don't think you understand.
That's fine, but you need to answer his questions, okay?
Please go on. Tell me more about what you did.
Listen, do not only speak when he asks you a question, okay? Okay, go on, Your Honor. We'll give this another try.
counsel, your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Nicole Smithson, P71404, appearing on behalf of Mr. Okowski for arraignment purposes only. Had the opportunity to speak with him. I advised him of the charge, the maximum penalty. We would waive reading, stand mute, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. In regard to bond, he's 39 years old. He works as a programmer. He reports this is his first arrest and he has no convictions. We're asking for a personal bond.
Thank you, counsel. The court will waive formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Okowski. Mr. Okowski, I have reviewed your request for court-appointed
Why are
attorney
you
form that
saying
you
that I
filled
plead
out.
not guilty? Excuse me, sir. Are you
No.
putting words in my mouth? I plead guilty to your justice. I do plead guilty to disorder. I do.
He has to read standard language to everybody the same, okay?
But he's telling me that I plead not guilty and I don't. I plead guilty to his justice.
All right, let him
Mr.
finish.
Okowski, I don't
He's
even know
putting
what
words in
you're
my mouth. I
talking about.
didn't plead not guilty.
Let him finish.
I didn't plead not guilty, sir.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
have trouble calling you sir when you put words in my
It's all
mouth.
on record, okay? It's
All right.
On record.
I did not,
Mr.
for the
Okowski,
record,
you have an
plead
attorney.
not guilty. I plead
Okowski?
guilty. What?
Okay, you have an attorney that's a very good attorney that's representing you for this hearing. Okay?
I have two attorneys. sir.
I
have two
understand.
attorneys.
Hold on, Mr. Okowski, stop talking. Just listen to me for a second. I'm actually trying to help you, whether you believe it or not. Okay, you have a very good attorney representing you right now. I didn't say that you are entering a not guilty plea. I'm entering a not guilty plea on your behalf. Okay, based on what your counsel said. Listen to your attorney. Listen to your attorney. It's in your best interest. Okay?
My attorney.
Now, I'm going to grant you a court-appointed attorney moving forward. So you will have an attorney at your next hearing. It'll be a different attorney, but you'll have someone handling this case with you moving forward. Sergeant, as it relates to bond, is there anything that you would like to state at this time?
Your Honor, he doesn't have a criminal history, but I would ask for a cash bond.
Okay.
I'll give you $33,068 bond.
Okay.
I do feel that he may return back to his parents' residence. He does live separate from his parents, but I do believe that he would return.
Okay. I have reviewed the police report, the facts, and the allegations. Obviously, this arraignment has not gone very smoothly from the very beginning. I do have concerns. Obviously, this isn't alleged domestic violence, which is assaultive in nature. I do have concerns regarding Mr. Okowski's behavior, and I do have concerns for the safety of the alleged victims. So I do not believe that a personal bond is appropriate. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety. I will allow a 10% provision. I'm also ordering the following conditions. You're to have no contact with Stanley Okowski Jr. You're not to Michigan. You must obtain a GPS tether prior to your release. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number. You shall not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons.
What about a ramfaya of fire, sir?
Sir, listen to the magistrate.
I'm asking him a question.
No, right now is not the time to
Hold
ask
on.
a question.
When do I get to ask questions?
Mr. Okowski, I'll give you an opportunity to ask questions. Let me
All
just
right,
get
let me
through the
know,
rest of your,
please.
I have two
I will.
bond conditions
Thank
left. No new criminal offenses or activity, and you will be under the supervision of the 52-1 District Court's Bond Compliance Division. Now, Mr. Okowski, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question. You said no weapons. What if God endows me with a rumfire of fire, sir? What will you do then? Is that one of your
God
allowable
gives you
weapons,
what?
or is that a weapon that you have control to take over from me?
I didn't even, sir, I didn't even understand what you said. If God
You know what
gives
a
you what?
rumfire of fire is, sir?
Magistrate, if we're done, we're
Yeah, we're done. Take him away. God gives you what? I didn't understand what you said. No one understood what he said. Yeah. All right. If God gives you some kind of ability, yeah, you know what? No one's gonna stop you at that point. I mean, the court can't stop you if God gives you an ability. Uh, Anyways, I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out. This was a wild start to the Saturday. I hope you enjoyed it. Giant shout out to Felix for letting me know that this was happening. Felix, you are awesome. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Anyways, hit that like button on your way out if you have not done so already. Also, comment, hype, subscribe, do all those fun things. You know what to do. That's it. That's all I got. Till next time, bye.
we're good.
A
Yeah,
rumfire of
Mr.
fire is a
Okowski, I
sword
don't
of
have your next
fire
court
that
date, so
comes
make
out
sure
of
you
your
make it to
mouth,
court.
sir.
Okay, thank you,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
good luck to you, Mr. Okowski. Thank you, Sergeant.
Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, come on. All right, back.
We're just gonna take them off.
Yep, we are.
Do you want two people to go?
Yes, definitely, because we have two to transport them. I think you need to get some, yeah.
You think Clark can go by himself with that?
With this guy, I will agree with him.